Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Pre-Calculus type of a question from the topic of equivalent representations of polynomial and rational expressions. Let's solve it together. If f of x equals x minus 2 times x minus 6 over x minus 2 times x minus 4, which of the following is true? A, the graph has a hole at x equals 6 and the vertical asymptote at x equals 4. Sorry about that. B, graph has a vertical asymptote at x equals 2 and x equals 4. C, graph has a hole at x equals 2 and vertical asymptote at x equals 4. The graph has no holes or vertical asymptotes. So if you're talking about the hole, to find a hole, you're going to look at a expression that cancels out and it must be, we must have it in numerator and the denominator. So if you will just pay attention in here, x minus 2 is common in both of the sections of this fraction, which is numerator and denominators. So you can just say that x equals 0. Then when you solve for x equals 2, since this is x equals 2 and we have it in numerator and denominator, that means we have the whole at x equals 2. And for the vertical asymptote, and then the choice is talking about the vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptote is all about the denominator. Since we just canceled out x minus 2's, we're just gonna focus on the rest of the function, which is x minus 6 over x minus 4. Again, if you're talking about a vertical asymptote, we're going to focus on only the denominator. And x minus 4 equals 0. And this will becomes x equals 4. So we have the vertical, let me rewrite this. Vertical asymptotes it's not gonna fit, I'll just put that there. Vertical asymptote at x equals 4. So let's go through the choices. Choice A says the graph has a hole at x equals 6. No, it has a hole at x equals 2, so it's not. The graph has a vertical asymptote at x equals 2 and x equals 4. It's talking about two vertical asymptotes. No. The graph has a hole at x equals 2 and vertical asymptote at x equals 4. Yes, this is what we're looking for. And choice D says graph has no holes and vertical asymptotes. This is not the answer. So the correct answer is choice C for this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.